In 1977, scientists received a signal from space that would become one of the greatest mysteries in human history. It was not noise, it was not random interference. It was strong, clear, and extremely unusual. This signal was later named the WOW signal. On August 15, 1977, at the Big Ear Radio Telescope in Ohio, astronomer Jerry Ehman noticed something shocking while reviewing printed data. A narrow band radio signal appeared suddenly. It lasted exactly 72 seconds. Then it disappeared forever. The signal came from the direction of the Sagittarius constellation, near the center of our galaxy. What made this signal special was its strength. It was about 30 times stronger than the background noise of space. Jerry Ehman was so surprised that he circled the signal on the paper and wrote one simple word next to it: wow. That single word would later become famous around the world. But what exactly was this telescope listening for? The Big Ear Radio Telescope was part of a project designed to search for signs of intelligent life beyond Earth. Scientists were scanning the sky, listening for artificial signals that could not be explained by natural sources. They believed that if another civilization existed, it might use radio waves to communicate across space. Radio waves can travel huge distances. They can pass through dust clouds and stars, and they are one of the most efficient ways to send information across the universe. That is why the WOW signal attracted so much attention. It matched many of the characteristics scientists expected from a possible artificial transmission. The signal was extremely narrow in frequency. Natural cosmic sources usually produce wide and messy signals, but this one was clean, focused, and precise. It was also received at a frequency close to hydrogen emissions. Hydrogen is the most common element in the universe. Many scientists believe intelligent civilizations would choose this frequency to communicate, because any advanced species would understand its importance. After the discovery, scientists immediately tried to find the signal again. They pointed radio telescopes toward the same region of space. They scanned the skies. They repeated observations. Days turned into months. Months turned into years. But the signal was never detected again. This made the mystery even deeper. If it was intelligent life, why did it never repeat? If it was natural, why was it so perfectly shaped? Several explanations were proposed. Some researchers suggested the signal could have come from a passing comet. In 2017, a study claimed that hydrogen clouds around comets might produce similar radio emissions, but many scientists disagreed. They argued that the signal was too strong, too narrow, and too structured to match comet behavior. Others suggested it could have been caused by a rare cosmic event, such as a distant star flare, or an unusual space object. But again, none of these explanations fully match the data. There is also the possibility of human interference, maybe a secret satellite, or an unknown Earth-based transmission. However, at the time of the signal, no known satellite was in that location, and the telescope was designed to filter out Earth signals. This leaves scientists with no clear answer. Because the signal was detected only once, it cannot be studied again. There is no recording of the sound itself. Only printed data remains. This makes the WOW signal one of the most frustrating mysteries in astronomy. It could have been a message. It could have been a natural phenomenon. Or it could have been something we still do not understand, but it changed science forever. After the WOW signal, interest in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence increased. New projects were created. More powerful telescopes were built. Programs like SETI began scanning the universe more actively, listening, waiting, hoping. Even today, scientists continue to monitor space for strange signals. With modern technology, we can scan millions of frequencies at once. We can analyze data faster than ever before, but so far no signal has matched the wow signal's unique characteristics. It remains alone, silent, unanswered. The universe is vast. There are billions of galaxies. Each galaxy contains billions of stars, and many of those stars have planets. Statistically, it is very possible that life exists somewhere else. The question is not only if we are alone, but whether we will ever hear another voice from the stars. The wow signal reminds us of how small we are and how mysterious the universe truly is. Somewhere out there, something may still be trying to communicate. Or maybe we simply were not ready to listen. Subscribe for more real science mysteries and unexplained space events.